Ja, dan loop je onder niet. Hallo julle, look what has arrived all the way from Western Cape. Henry Marie from Anders Wine sent me these 2 boxes of pure happiness and I cannot wait to open it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, on this side we have 3 MCCs, Makeup Classic. Notice no label, I'll tell you why. And I'm going to put it on the ice, like I was expecting it. Just going to chill it. There we go. Look how beautiful. 3 bottles of MCC. I'm going to chill that nicely. And then I have 3 bottles of rosé. Beautiful. This side, I think this rosé is going to go very well with spring around the corner. And in this box, we have 3 bottles of Chenin Blanc. I think I should chill one in the fridge also immediately, so I can't wait to taste it. And then 3 Shiraz. Thank you. And why is it called Anders? Hani has been in the industry for 15 years. She's also married to a winemaker. But 3 years ago, she started her own wine called Anders, meaning different.
This beautiful and devoted mom started Anders Wines dedicated to her son, Pierre, who's autistic. And every batch of Anders Wines will be different. Therefore, you won't get the same wine twice.
I just love the nickname that Henry gave her wines. She calls it the Goue Lokkies. Sorry, I have to do this in Afrikaans. She calls it the Goue Lokkies wine. Hy's nie te swaar nie, hy's nie te lig nie, hy's nie te duur nie, hy's nie te goedkoop nie, maar hy's net reg. I am super excited to show you what I'm going to do and how I'm going to pair each of these wines with different dishes. So be sure to go check out my next videos to see what I'm going to figure out. We'll find something. But proof is in the pudding. Should I go rosé, Chenin? Let's go with rosé. Rosé. Oh, I can see inside the screw cap. It's on the screw cap. Why did I say inside? Proof is in the pudding. Let's taste the rosé. She always has Chenin or white, red, and MCC in stock. So let's try the rosé. Delicious, delicious. And these wines are also not breaking the bank. And I must confess, this rosé, it's beautiful. I wish I could try every one for you now. Honestly, this rosé is really, really delicious. And on second thought, I'm going to give all of them a go. I need to try. Chenin. Just a bit of a taster. My mains. Oh wow, really delicious. Remember, all the info is on the screw top. Trying the Shiraz. Having a wine tasting on my own. Party for one. Guys, this is delicious. Gonna have a good time waiting for the MCC to chill.
Another Anders twist. You can find out what you're drinking on the screw cap. Therefore, no label. Now that I've been spoiled to taste the delicious wines, not only do I love it, but also the reason why she started it. Yummy, affordable, and such an easy drinking range. Go ahead and order now.